trying out. We are doing a product review on the Milwaukee
Knobless chainsaw.
Hatchet.
No.
Pruning saw. Let's see if this thing works. I was told to be forewarned that it is a biter. Let's do this. Come over here. Get over here. Let's go. Okay, you push the button in, you squeeze the trigger. Come on, baby.
Hard work, eh?
I did it. Let's do it again.
Do bigger pieces this time.
It's hard to hold. It really is.
And you got all your fingers.
It's hard because I have a small hand, so you got to push this button and hold the trigger. I'm right-handed. All right.
Not bad for battery powered.
Yeah. Do another one.
It works good.
It works okay. And it's battery operated. So, I mean, it's handy. But if you were bugging out and you didn't want no one else to hear you in the woods, I think I'd have to go with a silky saw so that you don't have the noise.
No.
Kind of cool though. And it is a bit heavy. Can't fit into the bug out bag.
Cheers.
The fuel, brushless.
I bought it.
Brushless Milwaukee M12 red lithium CP 1.5. Batteries are $100 a piece.
A saw is one of the most important tools in your bug out bag. They are quieter, safer, lighter weight, and require less energy and skill to use than an axe. This is not to say they should replace your axe, but it will complement it well. Wood is going to be essential for making shelters, getting firewood, creating structures, traps, and even making bows. For this reason, a saw should be one of the primary tools in your bug out bag. Now, one of the leaders in the field of outdoor saws is a company called Silky. They have the largest selection of hand saws in the market and are of the best quality construction available. I have used their saws religiously for the past 10 years. They make saws that are insanely sharp, they never need sharpening, they're incredibly tough, and they're built for hard work. The problem is that in spite of their success in the outdoor and bushcraft community, Silky has always built their saws for arborists. However, there is a new Outback series of saws that employ all of Silky's arborist technology and improve upon it to make the ultimate backwoods survival and preparedness saw.